fire chief for the village of Burns Lake. I've been the full-time fire chief for the last 2 years, but I've been with the department for over 30 years now. Because we're a volunteer fire department, we do all of our training in-house. We meet every Monday night for 2 hours, so we have 6 to 8 hours a month to do all the training. It takes approximately 100 hours to train a new recruit who has no previous experience. In total, it takes 4 to 5 years from the time a new recruit walks through the door until they would be an interior attack, fully qualified firefighter for this department.
I have a lot of fun putting together the training scenarios for the fire recruits. I try to make our training scenarios over and above what you would probably normally find on a fire scene, so that if somebody gets into trouble on a fire scene, they've trained for that worst case scenario. We try to make our training practices fun and also quite challenging. This new training facility will allow us to actually feel heat, see smoke. It will allow us different firefighting techniques. It's phenomenal.
The facility also allows us to do a number of other training evolutions. It's a 2-story building, so we can do all of our ladder training. We can do ropes and knots. We can practice our embankment rescue out on that site because we have some terrain features that we can use.
I'm a rookie firefighter with the Burns Lake Fire Department. I'm also the Deputy Corporate Officer at the Village of Burns Lake. So I decided to join the volunteer fire department as a firefighter for a few reasons, mainly because of Rob. I work with Rob every day, the fire chief, and he inspired me to join, to push the boundaries of the things that I think I'm capable of, and you get to help people in their time of most need.
TransCanada was the first corporation to give us money towards the burn building, which we used as seed money and leverage to other corporations, other communities, to allow us to get the full price of the burn building done in one shot.
So the training facility was built primarily for our use, but we've also offered it up to other fire departments and some First Nations fire departments in the regional district area. So building a strong community is having a community that is resilient. It's a community where people want to live. And for us in the fire department, it's about the fire department community. One of the biggest things that we can offer our volunteers is a sense of family.
What you learn here in leadership, in teamwork, in working with other people, you take that back to your work, you take back to your family, you take that back to everywhere.
Being able to foster that sense of pride and community with our group, it's a great feeling.